Well, welcome back to Concrete Construction Live, CC Live. Concrete Construction has had almost a 50-year legacy of bringing innovation to the industry, and along with its 50-year legacy of doing that, this is World of Concrete's 41st year of bringing new products and new techniques to the concrete construction marketplace. With me is Dennis Lura of Lura Enterprises. Dennis is one of the sponsors of the Concrete Slab Showcase. Dennis has a unique background, is that you started off as a contractor?
I started off as a mud mixer and eventually worked my way up to a contractor and general contractor, and through that course I had to find a better way to do to have a professional looking product when I was done, because we didn't just do concrete, we did a little bit of everything. So you needed tools that would help you achieve that. So it's getting tougher and tougher to find good help, so the better your tools are, the easier it is to achieve a professional look. So that's where it was born for me. We built it. We built our system, the lightning strike roller screed, quite a few years ago, and then when we developed the coupling system for it, that opened the door to lots of attachments and innovations. So that helped speed us up. We borrowed it to enough other contractors, and they said, you really should be marketing this thing, so here we are.
The opportunity to have a live demonstration on fresh concrete, it always seems to me all we have to do is have a ready-mix truck show up out in the gold lot, and people come looking at it. And what would you say that when you look, what do contractors tell you when they see new techniques like what you're offering?
Well, we've heard an awful lot out there in the gold lot this year that they've never seen anything like it, to the point where I've got, it looks like 5 distributors around the world that are interested in carrying it that have never seen anything quite like it. Roller screws have been around for a long time. This is unique in that its features, the fact that you can couple the tubes together so you need fewer tubes, but then features like the riser wheel, wall plugs, adjustable curb runners, wall walkers, center pivot. It just has so many other problem-solving attachments that go with it. So doing the slab construction showcase out there is great for us because our product sells itself in live concrete better than in a video or a phone conversation or anything like that. We need that hands-on demonstration for them to understand why this is so much easier. I just got done with some demonstrations we had. I promise you the woman weighed less than the screed, and she was running it and she was having a great time with it. She was smiling the whole time. So it's so much easier, and when it's easier, it makes it better on your joints and stuff. And when you get old like me, that's important that you don't wear yourself out in construction.
So the demonstration you're doing in the gold lot this year is how large of a concrete pad is it?
We're doing a 10 by basically about 100. Pouring out 10 yards of concrete every day, and we're showing the center pivot to do circular pours. We're showing the adjustable curb runner that allows you to hang off of a curb or a form or a sidewalk and drop the screed down, and then we go to a wall walker that allows you to hang off of a taller surface, and then we're just showing just a regular form to form.
And I guess the idea, we have a large number of our contractors that do flat work, want to learn more about things like that, and the area out there is kind of geared for that, isn't it?
It is, and the way that we're set up, we're able to show that we can do, depending upon what kind of a contractor you're talking to, which we try to establish early in the conversation, but if they're doing sloped kind of pours, we can show them how easy we can do slope pours. Typically we strike those off going downhill, or if they do circular pours or conical pours, it doesn't matter. Our pictures kind of say 1,000 words for us out there. So we can start with that, but again, it's nothing like having live concrete to show a guy how easy it is.
Well, Dennis, thank you for participating with us in the Concrete Slab Showcase. I know next year you're probably going to have another invention or another adaptation of what goes on out there, and I think once people keep remembering that it's out there, we'll have even more people be involved with it all.
You can count on that, but I'd like to say it while I've got the microphone. This has been the best World of Concrete we've ever had. It's just, we started this in '07, and we've grown every year, and it looks like this year is going to be no exception. So every year's been better than the last, and this is the one show we can't miss. There have been other shows that we've been into, but there's nothing like the World of Concrete.
Do you think that's because the contractor is looking for new products, wanting to change? You said before that there's a labor shortage of quality labor. Do you think that contractors are finally recognizing that they need to invest in new technology if they're going to stay competitive?
Absolutely. If we can reduce the crew size or increase the speed that they're placing concrete, it's just more money in their pocket. Contractors that buy our product tend to not want their competition knowing where they got it, because it's almost like a secret weapon to some of these guys, that it'll speed them up that fast or that much.
Well, hopefully through our discussion here, more people will know about it, and next year they'll come to World of Concrete to see it again.
That's right.
Okay.
That's my hope.
Thank you, Dennis.
You bet.